Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte's new gaming case, the Aorus C500 class. So friend, Gigabyte has announced the new mid-tower gaming case, Aorus C500 class, and it is designed for outstanding cooling and it provides optimized airflow design and supports motherboard up to E80X, and friend, it also supports 420 mm water cooling system solution which enables the entire case to achieve extreme cooling and performance. And friend, it offers friendly and convenient ideas such as excellent cable management and swing door front panel and the drop protection tempered glass panel. And friend, you can download the RGB Fusion 2.0 software to customize the various RGB lighting effects and colors, make the gaming case perfect to perform all Aorus device and be collected as a marvelous artwork. And friend, it supports vertical or horizontal GPU installation, giving the gamers the option to choose best viewing angle for their graphics card, and it takes card's thickness and shape into account and provides two vertical holder kit which can respectively support 73 mm and 160 mm card thickness for installation, so that user can avoid unsuitable size problem. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.